hope you guys are not tired of this thing yet. I needed something to just pull my hair back, and this was the only thing that worked. In addition, it matched with my top, and so I decided to use it. Sorry if it hurts your eyes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi, if you already don't know, and yes, some people call me Shante. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. But please don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below the screen so that you can be part of this gang culture. Yes. I promise you wouldn't want to not subscribe. So just go ahead and click on that subscribe button down below. It is totally free. It will cost you nothing. Nothing. I mean, like, I repeat, nothing. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you. So I'm back again with a new video, and lately I've been feeling like simple eye makeup looks and glowy skin, and I'm just going to bring another one of that to you guys today. I hope you enjoy today's tutorial. You learn one or two things and you keep coming back. Today's video is going to be a voiceover. I'm not going to be talking through it simply because I'm trying to be as fast as possible, and I want the editing to be easy as well. Talk through videos are usually more difficult to edit than voiceover videos, and today I'm just going to be taking the easy way out. Yeah. So before I continue to ramble on and on, let's just get right into the video.
Hi again. I'm going to be starting off today with my Zaron face primer. This is a silicone based primer, and I normally use it when I'm not doing something, when I'm not going to be out in the sun for a long period of time. Next, I'm going in with my orange corrector. I'm doing the skin first today. This is a reverse of what I usually do, but I'm like, why not? I'm trying to be as fast as possible today anyways. And I'm blending the orange corrector with my Zaron foundation brush, with my Nubanbeauty foundation brush. Excuse me for that, please. Next, I'm going into my L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation. This is in the shade Cafe or Cocoa. I'm not sure which that is, but it's going to be down in the description box. And I'm further blending that with my Nubanbeauty foundation brush, which I used for the orange corrector. I'm just ensuring I get my neck and everywhere so that we have an even blend. Next, I'm going in with my Zaron concealer. This is the liquid concealer, and it's in the shade medium. I'm putting that under my eyes, forehead, chin area, cupid's bow, and on the bridge of my nose. And I'm further blending that with my Nubanbeauty Pro Blending Sponge. We're just bouncing the beauty blender on the face, just bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. And so for the harsh lines that we have on the outer corner of the face, from blending the concealer, I'm going back in with my foundation brush and further blending that out. Next, I'm going into my black Opal velvetizer or whatever. I'm not really sure what the name of this powder is called right now, but it's a cream to foundation to cream consistency or formula, and because it's a really dark color, I'm just using that to contour my face. And I'm just pinching the brush that I used to contour, which is a Nubanbeauty contour brush. I'm using that for my nose, and I'm setting that with my Maybelline powder in cacao with the same brush that I used earlier on. Now I'm just setting my concealer with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm using my beauty blender to do just that. I'm setting my smile lines as well, and so that we're Gucci the whole day. And I'm also adding some more dimension to my face by reverse contouring. Now my brows are fixed, and I use the Zaron eyebrow pencil to do that. Now to the eyes, I'm using the NYX Jumbo pencil in milk to act as a primer for my eyeshadow, and I'm going into my itsmyrayeraye times bhcosmetics palette. I'm taking the color that I showed, putting that all over the lid area, And I'm going to take another brown shade, which I'm going to show just to blend out the edges of the lid color. This is a very, very simple eye makeup look that you can do every day, every time. I'm using the Nubanbeauty blending brush to blend out the outer corner of the lid area, and that is about it. Then I'm taking a shimmery color from the before I go into that, I'm setting my brow bone area with a light shadow from the same palette, and I'm just blending that out just to give my brow bone area just to highlight it a little bit more than it already was. Now I'm taking the shimmer color and I'm just popping that on my lid space, in the center of my lid space with my fingers. Nothing serious, nothing out of the ordinary, but it just gave it a very, very pretty pop of color. Now I'm taking the blending brush and just blending the shimmer color with the crease color, and that's about it with the eyes. So I'm using my Zaron mascara, the lengthening one, to curl up my lashes in preparation for the falsies that I'll be applying. And I'm going in with my what's the name of this pencil now? Maverick pencil. This is the black one. I'm just lining my under eyes with that, and with the transition color that I used earlier on, I'm using that to smoke out the black. Lashes are on now, and these are the Denique lashes in the style Opal. Now I'm brushing my under eye powder away with the NYX No Filter powder. This is a very nice powder. It's a finishing powder that gives a very flawless finish, and I just basically put that on the under of my eyes. Next, I'm following that up with the black Opal powder. This is also a very nice powder. I'm trying it on for the first time. It was gifted to us from the black Opal launch, and I really like this powder. The sad thing is that I broke it after I filmed this video. I'm not joking, guys. The powder is gone, and I really loved it. You can see like the smoothness it just like instantly gave my face. Now I'm using my Master Chrome, or my Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. This is one highlight that I've been loving. I just started using it. I just tried it outside the one that I normally use, and this is amazing. Like, guys, it is amazing, and it is cheap. It's not expensive, and come on, like, the pop is just heavenly. Now I'm topping that with the highlight shade from the itsmyrayeraye, the middle shade. I don't know what the name is, and I'm just popping that on top of it. Next, I'm going in with my MAC blush, and this is in the shade, what is it now? I can't even remember what the name is called. And for my lips, I'm using the ColourPop Sleepy Pencil. This is in the shade Notion, and I'm popping my Zaron liquid lipstick in the shade Senorhita right in the center of my lips, and I'm just blending all that together, and we give the lips some pop. Like, you can see how they're popping lips. I love this color. To finish up, I'm popping some of the highlight shade in the corner of my eyes just to open up my eyes a bit more. And to finish up and seal up everything, I'm using the Nubanbeauty Seal It Makeup Fixing or Setting Spray, and that is
yeah, guys, so I'm back with the finished look, and this was what I was able to come up with. I didn't know exactly what I was going to do, but I knew that I didn't want like a dramatic eyes. I wanted very simple, like everyday wearable eye look, and probably a bold lipstick as I'm wearing now. Okay, so I've been wearing this here for some time now, and it has been getting all the attention. Like, everybody keeps stopping me to ask what hair I'm wearing, and yes, guys, it is a wig, and it is from a vendor called Natural Hair Wigs on Instagram. I'm going to have a handle link down below in the description box, so if you are interested in getting yourself this kind of full afro looking nappy hair, I got you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and you like this finished look that I am feeling so much. If that be the case, please like this video, comment down below, let me know what you think. Share this video with your friends, family, loved ones, enemies, frenemies, whoever they are, so that we can keep growing and I can get my numbers up. I guess with that being said, it's time to say goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video.